This is the supercapacitor battery system itself, 1100 farads of electrochemical double-layer storage delivering 8,800 joules of usable energy. There is no chemical reaction happening inside it. Charge accumulates at an engineered surface, which is why it accepts current fast enough to reach full capacity in under 5 minutes. The same mechanism that makes charging fast also makes the discharge voltage cleaner and the cycle life effectively unlimited compared to any lithium cell at this price point. This is the 12-volt 5-amp charging adapter included with the kit. At 60 watts input, it drives the supercapacitor bank at 4 volts and 10 amps, 40 watts directly into the capacitor system. That is why the charge time is under 5 minutes rather than a theoretical number. The adapter is sized specifically for this charging rate. It is not a generic wall brick repurposed for the job. The current delivery is matched to what the supercapacitor bank accepts without thermal stress or voltage overshoot.
The kit is designed to power the full Multinav Pro Plus module stack, BLE module, GNSS module and sensors module simultaneously for a complete working day on a single 5-minute charge. That runtime is a direct function of 8,800 joules divided by the combined current draw of the stack. The supercapacitor's linear discharge curve means the supply voltage to your modules remains predictable and stable from the first minute of a session to the last, with no chemistry-related sag as the system depletes. The ST-Link programmer is integrated into the kit because power and programming belong in the same workflow. When you are iterating firmware on the BLE module, which runs on an STM32WB07, you need consistent, stable power during flash operations, not a battery guessing its own state of charge. The supercapacitor system provides a clean, low ESR supply rail during programming, which eliminates the category of firmware flash failures that are actually power transient failures wearing a different label. Everything needed to connect the stack is included, flat ribbon cables that run from the power module to the BLE module and from the programmer to the BLE module. Flat ribbon geometry is the correct choice here because it keeps impedance consistent, minimizes the loop area that would otherwise act as an antenna, and couples switching noise into the RF circuitry and routes cleanly in a development enclosure without the mechanical stress points of round cables. The kit is complete, there is nothing missing when it arrives.